Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your preferred currency on Airbnb. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your preferred currency to US dollars. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Airbnb. Next, click on the bottom right hand corner where it says your profile. Afterwards, click on account settings, then click on payments. Now in the upper right hand corner, click on the currency. So this right here is where you can change it to your preferred currency. So if you want to go ahead and leave it to US dollars, we can. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your preferred currency on the Airbnb app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.